Assalamu alaikum. I am Fakhrul Islam, lecturer of English, Mojida Islami Ali Madrasa. Today I will discuss you about right form of verbs. It's important for class 9 and 10, not only class 9 and 10, it's important for 6 to 12. We are starting our lesson. Okay, here I have written a lot of examples. You should put down this in your khata or listen to me and look at the whiteboard. The first sentence is Karim go to madrasa regularly. Karim go to madrasa regularly. Then second example is she recite the Holy Quran every day. The third is he watch an online class now. There are 5 examples for you. The first example, there is a keyword that is regularly. The keyword is regularly. The second sentence, the keyword is every day. The first sentence, Karim go to madrasa regularly. There is a keyword regularly, and we should remember that if there is any word regularly, every day, sometimes, occasionally, usually, generally, then it will present indefinite tense. What is the structure of present indefinite tense? The structure is subject plus verb base form plus object. Then we are solving this first sentence. Karim subject. Then the verb is go. The verb is go. Here we will add es. It's because the subject is Karim, then the verb will add es. Karim goes to madrasa regularly. The second sentence, she recite the Holy Quran every day. Here the keyword is every day. Then it will present indefinite tense. Then what is the structure of present indefinite tense? Subject, then verb base form, then object. Here the subject is she. The verb is recite. We will write recites the Holy Quran every day. The third example is we watch an online class now. Here a keyword is now. If there is any word now, at this moment, at present, then it will present continuous tense. So what is the structure of present continuous tense? The structure of present continuous tense is subject, then am is are plus verb ing plus object. What is the subject? Subject is he. Then present continuous tense এর গঠন অনুসারে he is. Watch হবে watching an online class. The fourth sentence, we hear a was at this moment. Here there is also a keyword at this moment. It's the keyword. If there is any word now, at this moment, at present, then it will present continuous tense. The auxiliary verb is we are hearing. A was at this moment. The fifth example is I see him recently. There is also a keyword recently. If there is any word recently, just now, already, then it will present perfect tense. What is the structure of present perfect tense? Subject plus have অথবা has plus verb fifi, first participle form, then object. The subject is I, then I have, see, first participle form হবে seen. See, saw, seen, him. Recently. Here I have discussion 5 example. you should follow this and practice this at your home. And welcome to you to our online class. This is the finishing of this class. Welcome to you for our next class.